Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition we are discussing what happens at the end of an estate. So the executor's done their job with the help of their attorney. The attorneys filed the inheritance tax return, obtained the tax waivers. The attorneys filed the waivers with the county clerk. The executors brought them to the banks. The executor has the estate account. The money's in the estate account. Okay. The executor then does an informal accounting, emails it to all the beneficiaries. The attorney prepares what's called a release and refunding bond. All the beneficiaries have to also provide their last four of their social so that we can, under the law of New Jersey, do a child support search. And then the release and refunding bond says what they're getting. They sign in front of a notary. Those get filed with the surrogate, and then everyone gets their money. If everyone does everything, let's say someone's a pain and one of the beneficiaries won't provide the last four. If one of the beneficiaries won't provide the last four of the social, and won't sign the release and refunding bond, then it requires a very, very expensive formal accounting with the Superior Court of New Jersey. So, according to New Jersey statute 3B:17-2, the executor administrator may settle their account in the Superior Court. They don't have to do it prior to 1 year. Most accountings are done in an informal matter. However, if it requires a formal accounting, it's a big project, and you have to then look at Court Rule 4:87-1, and it requires a complaint ought to show cause in Superior Court, documents attached. Everyone has to be served, including if there's an administration, any bond, the parents of any minors, and it requires typically an accountant to prepare this specialized formal accounting with statement of assets annexed to the account. So it becomes a big project. I'm going to include in the text of section of the YouTube some of the statutes, but it's better when people cooperate. There's more information on finishing probate and administrations in New Jersey on the website N.J.S.A.laws.com. If people need to hire an attorney, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison. Phone number 732-572-0500. Thank you.